case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1997, the Supreme Court of the United States decided on the case Babbitt v. Youpee, which centered around the potential violation of the Fifth Amendment by the amended Section 207 of the Indian Land Consolidation Act. This act prevented the transfer of small fractional interests in allotments upon an owner's death, escheating to the tribe instead. Some argued that this took away an owner's right to pass on their property and failed to give them fair payment for it, which would be against the Constitution's Fifth Amendment. The case began when William Youpee, a member of the Sioux and Assiniboine Tribes, passed away in 1990 and left his allotted trust lands to his children and potential heirs, who were all enrolled tribal members. The original Section 207 provision was previously declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court, but the amended Section 207 was still in question as it allowed interests devised to respondents to escheat to tribal governments. The main issue in the case was the history and restrictions of the Indian Land Program, including allotment and alienation, which led to the fractionated ownership problem that the amended Section 207 sought to resolve. Despite the government's arguments in favor of the amended Section 207, the Supreme Court ultimately upheld the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals decision, deeming the amended provision unconstitutional and a violation of the Just Compensation Clause of the Fifth Amendment. This decision affirmed the district court's ruling, preventing respondents' interests from escheating to tribal governments.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class